Hi, I chose Mrs. Bean's Standards ePortfolio. It's extremely eye-catching and pleasing. I love the way that you can maneuver it carefully over here with her home, her story, her gallery of pictures, her portfolio matrix. Here you can download it easily. I liked that. I did not like the option to magnify. Several places she does that. That makes it harder to maneuver on the computer. I don't really like that. But the bullet points over here are really good. You've got the artifacts organized by standards. You have her standard 1, her artifact survey. Over here on that box, you've got the survey results. And you go on down, and you've got her certificate artifact of her attendance at the Civil Rights Conference and her reflection of the Civil Rights Conference. So she's got one of these for every one of her standards and every one of her artifacts that she's got listed. And she's got her placement and experience at the bottom. Over here telling where she worked and all of her experience, and at the bottom you have her RSVP where you can contact her, and you can if you want to talk with her about anything. So I love the bullet points. They're very easy to use over here, and I also love her philosophy of education and her table of contents as well. It covers everything there. So this is a beautiful a beautiful portfolio, and I think I'd like to use this website builder or Wix when I create mine. Thank you.